Just in case you haven't heard yet, let's quickly look at the few results of the past few days at the FIFA World Cup. Starting with Argentina, who beat Austria 2-0. France had the better of Iraq. Their score 3-0. Norway, very happy to be through to the next round of the FIFA World Cup. They beat Senegal 3-2. Algeria beat Jordan 2-1. And Portugal showed their class against Uzbekistan and the score there 5-0. England and Ghana played within an equalizer. They both scored 9 goals, so that the score there were 0-0. And then Croatia had 1 and Panama 0. So Croatia won that game, obviously. Colombia won the DRC in a very close game. The score there 1-0. We can look forward to a few interesting games. Starting tonight, 9 o'clock, Switzerland versus Canada. And then also at 9, Bosnia-Herzegovina versus Qatar. And then tomorrow, well, just after midnight actually, Scotland will play Brazil. Morocco will play Haiti. Czechia and Mexico will meet tomorrow morning, 3 o'clock. And then the big one, very important for South Africa, tomorrow morning at 3 o'clock, South Africa, Bafana Bafana, will play against South Korea. And this is absolutely the make or break. So let's all thumbs for Bafana Bafana. And then tomorrow evening, Suriname versus Ivory Coast and Ecuador versus Germany. We will talk again. Let's all thumbs for Bafana Bafana.